everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do a childhood favorite. We're going to do some tamarind balls, and of course you are going to need 1.5 pounds of tamarind. What I did already was gone through and pick through the bad ones and throw them out and wash the outside of my tamarind. Now I am going to remove the shell of the tamarind, and this will take some time. So if you have the kids around, it's a good way you can show them how to make this Jamaican snack, right? Now if you want to continue watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one. So and this, guys, bear in mind, this is the sour tamarind. The sweet tamarind don't grow in Jamaica. Well, I've never come across the sweet tamarind. All right, so we're going to crack them open. Now guys, if you don't have any tamarind, you can get it to purchase at the supermarket. Otherwise, it's widely grown in the Caribbean, also in Africa. But I find that if you don't have it, you can always source it at the Caribbean supermarket. Otherwise, it's also used to make juice. I have a juice recipe here on YouTube as well. It's also used to make sauces. Very versatile fruit. With the help of my son, guys, I was able to go through this a little faster. So we're almost done. And if you notice, what I did was to remove the string from it as well.
Yeah, that's the truth.
That's a bad one. We don't need that one.
Yeah.
Some people do this in different ways. Some people use Scotch bonnet pepper. That must be nice, guys. But like I'm doing it, and my son will eat it. I'm not gonna put any Scotch bonnet in there. Some people do it with rum. It just depends on what your personal liking is, right? We're doing it the regular way today. And it's now tamarind season, guys. So get yourself some tamarind. Very cheap at the market.
And guys, it's tamarind season, so you can have some holidays, guys. Make sure that this is covered. I'm sure it.
No cover.
There's no cover.
What I'm going to do now is to add my sugar and massage the sugar into the tamarind ball. You will lose a couple seeds by doing it this way, guys. Wait, I'll do it first. Alright guys, your tamarind ball should look something like this. A very big log. What we're going to do now is to form them in some small balls and dip them in the white sugar. And you want to dip them in the white sugar for around 4 times. Roll it again. They should look something like that. If it gets too hard for you guys, you can always wet your hand with some water. This is it, guys. Pretty easy to make. You have yourself some nice tamarind balls. Childhood snack at school gate.
Like this one?
Anyone? So nice and tangy and sweet at the same time. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.